A quick lunch stop. I have only 20 minutes before my bus leaves, and I am very hungry. I want to buy lunch fast, but the restaurant is busy. There is a long line at the counter. Then, I see a big self-service kiosk near the door. The screen says, "Start your order." I smile because this can save time. I walk to the kiosk and take a deep breath. I do not use these machines every day, but the pictures look clear. The restaurant smells like fries and fresh burgers. People are talking, and workers are moving quickly behind the counter. I touch the screen with my finger. First, the kiosk asks, "Eat here or take away?" I think about my bus. I need to take my food with me. I press take away. The screen changes, and I feel ready to order. Choosing the meal. The kiosk shows many pictures. There are burgers, chicken sandwiches, salads, fries, and drinks. I want something simple, but I also want a full meal. I touch meals. Now I see a chicken sandwich meal with fries and a drink. It looks good, and the price is not too high. I press the picture. A new screen opens. It asks me to choose the sandwich size. There is regular and large. I choose regular because I am not very hungry, just hungry enough. Then the screen asks about the fries. I can choose small, medium, or large. I choose medium. I look at the order on the right side of the screen. It says, chicken sandwich meal, regular sandwich, medium fries. That is correct. I am happy because I understand the menu. Next, I must choose my drink. Making changes. For the drink, the kiosk shows cola, lemon soda, water, and orange juice. I usually drink cola, but today, I'll want water. I press water. Then I see another screen. It says, customize your sandwich. I like this part because I can make my food just right. The sandwich has lettuce, tomato, pickles, cheese, and sauce. I like lettuce and tomato, and cheese is fine. But I do not like pickles. I touch the minus button next to pickles. The screen now says, no pickles. Then I add honey mustard sauce. I check the picture of my sandwich. It looks perfect. The kiosk asks, would you like to add something? I see cookies and extra fries. They look nice, but I remember my bus. I do not need more food. I press no thanks. My order is almost ready. Paying for the order. Now the kiosk shows my full order. I read it slowly. Chicken sandwich meal, medium fries. Water, no pickles, honey mustard sauce. I see one small problem. The screen says, eat here, but I need takeaway. Maybe I touched the wrong button before. I look for the edit button. It is small, but I find it next to the order type. I press it and choose takeaway again. Now the order is correct. I feel better because I do not want to miss my bus or explain the mistake later. The total is on the screen. I press pay by card. I put my card near the reader. It beeps. The payment is approved. The kiosk prints a small receipt. My order number is 47. I take the receipt and walk to the pickup counter. Picking up lunch. At the pickup counter, I watch the screen above the workers. It shows order numbers. Number 44 is ready, then 45. I hold my receipt and wait. I still have 10 minutes before my bus, so I am calm. Soon, a worker calls, "Number 47. I step forward and say, "That is me, thank you." She gives me a paper bag and a bottle of water. I move to the side and check the bag. There are fries, a chicken sandwich, napkins, and sauce. Everything is correct. I leave the restaurant with my lunch in my hand. The kiosk was easy after I read each screen carefully. I ordered my meal, changed the sandwich, paid by card, and got my food quickly. Now I can catch my bus and eat on the way. Next time, I will use the kiosk again without worry.